Meaning of Christmas symbols. The best things about Christmas are the symbols and rituals associated with it. The main symbol of this festival is the Christmas tree. The tree has a very obvious religious significance. Let's have a look at all the Christmas symbols, their meanings and significance. The Christmas tree. Many pagan cultures worshipped the evergreen trees and used them to ward off evil. The Christmas tree is also believed to be the tree of paradise and hence is an important Christian symbol. Christmas gifts. Christmas gifts are a craze among all, especially kids. The wise men's gift of gold, incense and myrrh to the infant Jesus on his birth have popularized the concept of exchanging gifts. We also give each other gifts because God set the precedent by giving so much to us in the form of His creation, His Son and Himself. Christmas lights. Christmas lights are another symbol that come from pagan origins but were created by God. Lights signify hope, happiness and safety. When we see Christmas lights on buildings and Christmas trees and lit candles, we are reminded of Jesus, the light of the world. Mistletoe. Mistletoe is an aerial parasite which does not have roots of its own. It generally attaches itself and grows on a tree. Without that tree, the mistletoe would die. It is a symbol of God's love for us. Mistletoe cannot survive without the tree. Similarly, we humans cannot survive without the love of God. Christmas red and green. Red traditionally represents the sacrifice of blood that Jesus shed while hanging on the cross. Green represents the evergreen eternal life. Holly is included with the evergreens and even has special significance because of the red berries on it. At one time, holly was considered a holy plant, green stood for eternal life and red for the blood of Christ. Christmas bells. Bells were a part of the Jewish high priest's garb. Bells not only symbolize the joy of Christmas but also act as a reminder that Jesus is the high priest. Candles. Candles represent Christ, the light of the world. In the Advent wreath, a purple candle is lit for the first, second and fourth Sundays of the Advent and a pink candle for joy for the third Sunday. On Christmas Day, a pure white candle is lit at the center of the wreath. Santa Claus. Finally, Santa Claus, the most loved symbol of Christmas. Santa is actually Saint Nicholas, who was extremely generous to the poor but anonymously. Santa Claus signifies the need of giving alms to the poor and the needy. If you enjoyed watching our video, do share it and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.